excited about my friends being here and having Miss Iverson as my teacher.
She's nice and she's really easy to work with.
He makes things not complicated for me.
So basically, we've reimagined everything. A year ago or 2 years ago, I would have never wanted to videotape a lesson. So having to process that as a teacher and rethink how we're going to teach everything has been really hard. Luckily, we've had the summer to think about it. The way I've been doing my lessons is I'm trying to take the curriculum that we're used to doing and making it user-friendly in Canvas. Number one, that's the most important. And it's been trial and error. We've tried all sorts of things. I've tried to do Google Slides where the kids can maneuver things in the slides, and that's not as user-friendly for kids at home. So I've tried lots of different things, and we've all settled on building our lessons in this like quiz format. And we always I try to add in anchor charts in there for the kids and other things that they can refer to. So even after they're logged out of the lesson, there's things in there that they can refer to like notes. Because here we would have them glue stuff in their notebooks and they can't do that at home. So I put everything in there that they're going to need to refer to so that they can be successful in the lessons. Even though I teach live, I also pre-record these lessons at home with my iPad. And so if they need to go back and re-watch something, that they're able to do that later. So we're just finishing up our first unit for math, and so we've been learning how to add and subtract within 1,000 and doing two-step word problems. And so this week in this lesson here is just kind of review to tie all those loose ends up before we come back to the building next week and then start a new unit.
Today you're going to be able to solve 1 and 2-step word problems within 1,000. And again, make sure you have your whiteboard or your papers ready. Don't let word problems get you down. I found this yesterday. I figured it was fitting. Patty says, a man has 20 coins consisting of dimes and quarters. If the dimes were quarters and the quarters were dimes, he would have 90 cents more than he has now. How many dimes and quarter does he have? And she says, help, because it doesn't make sense, right? So don't let word problems get you down. We're going to talk about how we can solve these. So remember, just like before, we always want to read the problem carefully so we can look at all the vocabulary. You're going to think about what the problem's asking you. You're going to make a plan to solve. You write your equation. You'll solve it, and then reread the problem. The best part is, does your answer make sense? Anna read 265 pages of a library book. Greg read 142 less pages than Anna. How many pages did Greg read? So make your plan. Think about what it's asking you. Reread it. Look at those words. Ashton, you got it already? Okay. You're fast today. Yep, he read 142 pages less than Anna. So we're going to subtract 265 minus 142, which happened to be your answer on the last one. Good, Madison, you got it.
123.
Good, McKenna. All right, let's subtract together. What's 5 minus 2? 3. 6 minus 4? 2. And then 2 minus 1? 1. So he read 123 pages less than Anna. All right, Jake scored 284 points in the first round of a new computer game. He scored 121 more points in the second round than in the first round. What was Jake's total score? Jake scored 284 points in the first round. So here's my first round of a new computer game. He scored 121 more points in the second round. So we've all agreed that the second round was 405 points, right? But what does my last sentence say? What was Jake's total score?
406.
What was Jake's total score? First round. Second round. So let me put in here. First round, 284. Second round, 405. What was Jake's total score? So remember when I said you have to go back and reread to make sure your answer makes sense. That's why I put this one in here. What was Jake's total score? So how many steps is this? There we go. You guys got it.
Miss Iverson, I got the right answer, did I?
That's your, yeah, there you go, girl. You got it.